Welcome back. Today we're going to solve question 16 of paper 1 QCAA External Assessment 2020. Before I start, please consider subscribe to this channel so will help this channel to continue grow, because there are a lot of students in the state or in Australia want to watch. So if you can give us some support, and also don't forget, give us the thumbs up. So the Google once, sorry, the YouTube is more support, there will be more push to more audience for the channel. Thanks for that. All right, let's do this question 16, which is, I wouldn't say it's a simple familiar, because of you might say it's complex, but because we involved with a double derivative and also involved with the graph of trigonometry function. So what I'll do is I'm going to read this question first. We got first fx, the graph is periodical. So we don't know what the function is. So we want to say the double derivative, we got three scenarios, whether it's 1, whether it's 2, whether it's diagram 3. So this is the original fx. So we want to find the function fx first, then let's do the double derivative. All right. I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna let this function to be cosine. Why is cosine? Because it looks like a cosine wave. However, cosine wave actually is upside down cosine. So you can see the magnitude, amplitude is 1, but so we can say could be positive or negative, but I'll decide to use a negative because of the upside down cosine. So we normally cosine is, that's the shape, but now is upside down. It's a turnover. So we put a negative a is 1, negative a is negative 1. Then period, so we know period is a 3 because that's one cycle. So then we decide what the b is. So b will be 2 pi divided by 3. So that's the second coefficient we decide. C is 0 because there's no horizontal shift. So we C is 0. And then D obviously is a median value, which is 1. So therefore my function for fx, so that's my fx, is negative cosine 2 pi over 3x plus 1. So let's do first derivative. So we know cosine derivative is cosine is negative sign, so negative become positive. So don't forget a chain rule, 2 pi over 3, then we put a 2 pi over 3 in the front. So now we've done the first derivative, then do the second derivative is 4 pi squared divided by 9 sine to cosine. So that's the second derivative. So let's compare those. Now which one is cosine? I would think they all look like it doesn't matter whether cosine or sine. However, we look at the key indicator, which is the front number. Can you see this front number is 4 pi squared divided by 9. So we know pi is 3.14. So it must be this particular front numbers must be more than 3 square. So if I put a 3 square, so it'll be more than 9. So it will be more than 4. So therefore, the maximum, this is actually the front number is the maximum, which is an amplitude. So this is my A for the double derivative. So the A is more than 4, so that's look like the diagram 1. So then also want to double confirm whether it's a period. We can see the period is 3. So therefore, let's try t equal 2 pi divided by 2 pi over 3. Yeah, that's the answer is 3. So therefore, diagram 1 is the right answer. So that's a double derivative function. So we solved that question. I would say it's a complex, familiar question. All right. So that because it involve a double derivative, also decided the function. I hope you enjoy the solution, and please coming back next time. I'll see you for the updated video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and thank you again.